ICG Innovations provides automated solutions that make processing financial transactions and vendor communications a breeze. If you have problems processing invoices efficiently, struggle with onboarding vendors, or communicating with your vendors, let ICG's modular cloud-hosted solutions automate your back office. ICG offers configurable solutions, not one-size-fits-all packages. Accounts payable, PO, and non-PO workflows speed up invoice matching, approval, and processing. ICG also solves the problem of losing prompt pay discounts. Vendor onboarding tools keep data organized and make it simple to obtain vendor documentation, such as COIs and diversity information for compliance. The vendor portal keeps you from drowning in calls and emails from your vendors by offering vendor self-service for invoice inquiries and dispute submission. ICG solutions are ERP agnostic and can integrate with any financial system. They're cloud-hosted and priced on a subscription basis, with no vendor, user, or transaction-based fees. Increase your efficiency and reduce costs today. Visit icginnovations.com and experience the ease of automated vendor management and improved efficiencies in your back office.